Pasok yung straight kick yan.
Straight!
Yun.
Straight suntok!
Yung sisipan ni Net.
Straight
Pasok sa
suntok!
side.
Yan! Yan, suntok! Hey! Login!
Sabay, pumasok ng Chami Street ni Nick Kian.
Login yan! Hey!
Pasok yung sipan ni
Suntok! Sip na! Suntok!
Net.
10 seconds go.
Pasok yung sipan ni 10 seconds.
Hey! Hey, suntok! Hiya! Hey, sipa!
And our final round for the main event for this event. Okay. Ang mag-award ng ating medal is si ating nag-judge for this event, si Coach Ali Gonzalez. And then lahat na po mag-award. Okay. Okay, fight fans. Sino sa tingin nyo panalo dito sa match na ito? Okay. Dahil yung at si Coach Christian Gasmin, napili niya yung best fight for this event is yung ating female bout. So kung sino yung nanalo dito, siya yung best fighter of this event. Na i-award ni ma-award siya na from sponsored by Attorney Janice Tumugan. So our winner for this match is